name is Shamha. I'm from Samadre. I'm studied in Samadre Muslim Madhya Mahavidyalaya. In all level examination, I take basket subjects such as English Lit, Single and IT. Let me talk. That's all. Let me introduction and let me talk about the yesterday class, and my feedback is that yesterday class is full of benefit to me. I get more important details in it. I'm ready to prepare the O-level examination and it's more useful to me to argue fails in O-level without fear. Again, I tell it you more useful to me. Once again, thank you very much for your love and care. For your love and care teaching. When we talk and I talk about the third teaching is a good and it is a well inspired to achieve goals in my life. As a teaching and third teaching is a well educatable and knowledgeable teaching. I understand fully much. And third teaching is a full of support to us and all our your guidance is a full of support and it will be helpful to achieve our goals in our life. Thank you very much once again.